Hey guys, as you can see, the laundry will take an approximate of 80 minutes. And because of the setting that I put, what I really like about the Allergy Care 9kg washing machine is that it is so easy to use. When we bought it, we were advised to ensure that we buy the outside SAM card because it does not have a SAM card. So we bought that at LG. The cost of that is approximately 5,000 or 4,500 depending on where you buy it. So since our house does not come with a provision of a washing machine area, we had to drill a small wall on the corner where we placed the water inlet pipe and the water outlet pipe. As you can see, the plumber did a very good job. He drilled small holes at the bottom of where the water outlet is going to go, and then we inserted the pipe inside there. You can see that hole was drilled from this side of the wall to the other side, and it was neatly done. What I also like about the LG 9kg steam and Allergy Care washing machine is that the turbo is very silent. You cannot hear a lot of sorry, I meant the motor, not the turbo, is very silent. You cannot hear a lot of it doesn't make a lot of noise when it's washing. That's something that I also liked about this AI machine. Something else that I really liked that is not in a lot of machines is the option of add item. You get to add an item within the first 40 minutes. After the first 40 minutes, there is the add item light goes off. That means that you cannot or you're not able to add another item. So you can see the clothes are already spinning. We are already 10 minutes in. So the form has already formed within the first 10 to 15 minutes. You can see the add item light is still on. When the add item light is still on, that means that you can still add an item. Then now we are 30 minutes in and you can see the add item light is off. That means that you cannot add any item. Don't open the washing machine until the machine goes off itself. So we are 14 minutes in. It's already rinsing. That's why the machine is spinning very quickly, and it is also rinsing the water off. What I also like about this machine is by the time you get your clothes off, it is almost dry, like almost totally dry. You just need to hang them for like 30 minutes or if at most 1 hour, and your clothes are ready to wear. So you can see it's rinsing it off completely. We are 7 minutes in, and within the last 3 minutes in, I'm going to let you watch what happens. And please consider buying yourself this washing machine. I really liked it. The machine goes for 105,000, between 105,000 to 120,000, depending on where you purchase it.